to my channel, and today we are going to be making slime with... What are you waiting for? Just say it. Say your name. Oh, Hilda! And right now I'm going to show you the materials. First, we have some pink glitter glues and some purple glitter glue because we're going to mix them both up. And then we have a bowl. Then we have something to mix it with. And then we have clear slime glue because it worked with my recipe that I tried last night. And we have some slime activator. And we have some stuff to put it in. To put in the slime. If we can't put this all in the slime, then we'll make more slime. Jules! And that one fell out of my hand. Oh god, too scary. Okay, and now we have some rhinestones. As you see, I used most of them to make a Christmas tree. My Bubby's in here with me. Okay, and now we are going to be mixing it up. So, let's take the tops off. So, first, we take the pink glue and we squeeze it out as hard as we can. Alright, and when you're done with the pink, you go on to the purple. I'm only going to use a little bit of purple because I don't have that much of it. So, set that aside and show you what it looks like right now. Can't really see the purple, that's because I didn't put too much. So, yeah. Now, we're going to put clear slime glue in next. It's hard to open, but okay. Language! Hilda, would you mind pouring in the activator? Okay, what is it back? What does it activate then? It's not that kind of activate. I dripped a little. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Be right back. That little baby needs his passy. Now we gotta stir it until all the liquid is gone. Ooh, it's chunky. See what it looks like right now? The pink is taking over all of the purple, so it's going to be pink slime. If it's still sticky right now, then you gotta keep mixing. If any of you don't like this video, I'll steal your pie and all your chicken muffins. Oh, I mean, chocolate muffins. And I'll be right back. Be on green, guys. Yay! Now, still sticky. Please keep stirring it. If it's still sticky by now, then you gotta keep mixing, okay? If your hands get tired, please take a rest, because I need one. Welcome back. Welcome back. It's still sticky by then. And I'm a horrible person. Stick to the spoon. Oh. Neighbors. Walking their dog. Tornado fight! Who will win? Yeah. It's still sticky, and you still don't know what to do, please just hold me back. And me got slime on my hands. I kneaded it together. Kneading each piece at a time. If this recipe doesn't work for you, I'm sorry. Sorry if I didn't do a good job then. Hilda, you've been so quiet. Because you're making slime right now and I just love watching it. Because I know you're gonna fail. Excuse me, Hilda. Hilda, you're one of the mean girls from school. Okay? Yeah, sure. I'm one of the mean girls from school, but I don't care. I mean, like, I have other things to do. If kneading together won't work, guys, then please just roll it into a ball. Now, when it's not sticky, you can put your things in there if you want. What I chose was this. These little rhinestones. Now this is going to take a long time, so let me pause it. Welcome back, and I have my slime. My slime. My slime. Which is awfully great. And it's a brood. It's a success. So, if this recipe doesn't help for you, comment down below if you want to see more slime recipes. Because I got more. Deb, goodbye! Hilda! Say goodbye. I'm going to watch the cheese. Bye! You done? Yeah! Well, bye everyone! Say bye, slime. Bye! Yeah.